Hi, neighbor. I'm Daniel Tiger. Hi, Daniel. What is behind you? It looks like it's wood, and it looks like it's broken. Well, this is a storage box for Tiny Treasure Mini's cars, and they are mini cars. There's a little yellow car, and there's even part of a train. And here's a little bigger car. It's orange, just like Daniel Tiger. And there's parts of erasers that were used to build vehicles. And there is an airplane that has a little metal ball underneath. I wonder if it's going to just roll across the table. Wow, what are we going to do? If this box is broken, the cars can fall out and get lost. Well, Tiny Treasures Mini is in woodworking. That's a class where they make wood objects. Let's see what Tiny Treasures Mini made. Daniel, can you go get the surprise? Be very careful. Oh, look! Tiny Treasures Mini made a new box for the cars. It's absolutely beautiful, and the lid comes off just like that. Okay, and now we can put all the cars in the new box, and airplanes too. Hopefully they'll all fit. Uh-oh, it's too full. The lid won't go on. What are we going to do, Daniel? Daniel says, maybe we should take out the bigger cars and only put the tiny ones in. Okay, let's try that, Daniel. I took out the bigger cars and the chunky eraser bits, but it's still too full. Do you have another idea, Daniel? How about we take the trains and the planes out of there? Maybe it's a box just for cars. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, I took 1, 2, 3 airplanes out of the box. Let's see if it will work now. Oh, it fits! Yay, Daniel! Thanks for your help. We figured it out. But what are we going to do with these pieces? We'll have to find another box. But before we go and find another box, we wanted to show you one more piece that Tiny Treasures Mini made. A wooden pen. How beautiful. And there's even a place for your fingers so it's comfortable. Well, we found a little purple bag to put the rest of the pieces away so they don't get lost. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.